Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to show you a new method to get Tinder Gold for free in 2026. So I'm going to open up the Tinder app and just show you guys. So as you can see, it looks kind of normal, but when I press on my profile, as you can see, when I go over to the page to buy it, it's $18 a week. So I'm going to press continue. And as you can see, there's a third payment option, which is to be a developer. So this is only in the Tinder mod, which I'm going to show you guys how to download. So I'm going to choose that, press continue, and then it's going to show me this page. So I'm going to press continue, and now it's going to load, guys, and then I'm going to be a developer, and I'm going to have all the Tinder Gold features unlocked, like unlimited likes, skip the line, control who sees you, passport to any location. So as you can see, it says Tinder Gold activated. So now we have all those settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So if you want to have like all the features of Tinder Gold for free, keep watching the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to download this Tinder Gold like mod so you can have unlimited likes and everything. So first thing we're going to do is go to this website, matrixmods.com. So on this website, guys, you want to find the Tinder, press on it, and then go ahead and press download. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification process. So this is the last step. So basically, you got to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's completely free to do from official app store, and then you will get Tinder Gold for free. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see at the end, it says almost there, additional files are required. So this is where we have to do the verification. All it is just download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you should have Tinder Gold for free. So like Travel Town, for instance, says download and reach level 9. So I just press continue, go over to the app store, and then I would just play this until I hit level 9. So, you know, the games, in my opinion, are very nice because what you're doing on the game is you're like playing it. So like you're not really thinking that you're spending too much time on the verification process because you're so focused on completing the level. So that's how to get Tinder Gold for free, guys, 2026. So if you guys are tired of paying for it, now you have the secret method to get Tinder Gold for free, guys. So be sure to try us out. It's super cool. All you have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you should unlock the Tinder Gold. So be sure to try us out, guys. It's super cool. You can watch a video here, but yeah, it's just crazy stuff, guys. So if you're depressed about not being able to like afford the Tinder Gold, guys, well, now you can unlock it for free, my gang.